Goody Two Shoes checking in. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit subscribe and ring that bell notification so you can stay in the loop and be notified whenever I drop the latest and the greatest. I'm going to be unboxing something I got in the mail a couple of days ago and I'm so excited. I'll be using my special little knife here. Ooh, yes sir. It's the Yeezy 380s. Now this colorway right here, when I first seen the pictures of it, I was on the fence about it, but what I like the most about these is the 3M accents. I actually really like these. When I first seen the samples of them online, just the pictures, I can't make my final decision until I get them in hand, so completely changed my mind. But let me know what you think about these in the comments below. The regular non-reflective pair comes out March 25th. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.